co-founder of Nuclear.com, and well, where was I before Speakers Are Leaders? I believe we met at Toastmasters, yes. Now, before Speakers and Leaders, I was already speaking, but the words doesn't land like what Harry does. Now, if you can't really hear Harry in enunciation of his words, but you can feel Harry in being authentic. You can feel his word landing in each one of you and receiving it as if he's touching your heart, your chest. Now, that is what I like about Harry's course, because his words lands and he's able to deliver these ideas about how speakers are really leaders. That, I think, is the gist of why I attended the course and even continued on with the Millionaire Speakers Network. So I would recommend to all of you entrepreneurs who have decided that you want to expand yourself and you want to be authentic and deliver a message that lands, deliver a message that moves people's heart, come to Speakers as Leaders. Thank you very much.
Thank you.